In this video, you'll learn how to permanently delete your eBay account. This guide outlines the necessary steps to ensure your account is closed securely and completely. Before you begin the deletion process, it is essential to review your account requirements, ensure that all outstanding transactions are completed. This includes paying any fees, resolving open disputes, and finishing any active sales or purchases. eBay prohibits account closure if there are unresolved issues. Take a moment to review your account activity and make sure everything is settled before proceeding. Next, navigate to the eBay account closure page while logged into your account. Once you're on this page, locate the option to request permanent account deletion. You will be prompted to select a reason for closing your account. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully and confirm that you understand the consequences of deleting your account. This confirmation is important as it signifies that you acknowledge the permanent nature of this action. After submitting your deletion request, eBay will initiate a review of your account status. This review process may take some time, so be patient. During this period, eBay might send you an email confirmation regarding your deletion request. It is crucial to check your email for any updates or instructions from eBay, as this will inform you of the progress. Once the review process is complete, eBay will proceed with the account deletion. At this point, your account will be permanently closed. You will no longer have access to the account, and any remaining data associated with it will also be removed. It is important to understand that this action cannot be undone, and you will lose all access to your account and its associated information. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.